Very good morning to all our friends tuning in this morning. And it's a beautiful Thursday morning here in the capital city. Coach Palang Show, and Messi.
Good morning to everyone tuning in this beautiful morning from whatever vehicle that you're traveling in this morning. We hope that you will enjoy Coach Palang Show this morning. Pagkatalaki na kana maruta kana ngarabi tabi and sige na kay Nende this week. Mother wala kala kasar me baka ni namaruta ka kana holiday na sige moniti sa sing lutulep tel tunggo panini binaka and kana ngarabi to kana itabi. Pagkatalaki na be koro to kana nondo benua. Onin to betul to kamay and namata ka binaka ni and buku ni nomunia baka na matatu and nangarabi songo baka talanga kina sangono tu ni daga songo go buka sarer sa baka na matatu na buku ni ngarabi songo tartu baka na bola to may sote they will be having a mbulu this Friday.
This okay
this Friday saranga
binakan na bubali
Payar tu yan na lomo ni korosote na buku ni baka raw sarmangos tiko na len koro na buku ni non baka rutiko na songo ni bulu na singa baka rumbuko ko.
I say good morning to John Kumar and the family from Bararaveli. Good morning to Sister Domoni.
Right. And
also to Mili Sukanatambua. We thank you for this morning. And everybody joining from their interior of their home. Some people they are joining from within their home. Some they are joining from up above their home. We thank you, Kalarambo, this morning for the good morning.
Right. Pagkatal nga kina bikim nikat sarang ni bule na buku ni kaya namaruta kita kan mata ni mathaw ni sereki ni
Girl
bule.
Guide.
Right, Girl Guides. What ni binaka? Ni tag ni maruta gitu, and we hope that you will also keep yourself safe. There's a lot of sickness going on because of the change in the weather pattern and also the coldness. And anggar ni kada binakati ko tubutubo ni bay susu. Namarir binakati ko na lubiada because when they get sick, we will be affected. Our work will be affected, especially if we are working parents. That is some of the challenges that we will face. So in order to prevent that, prevention is better than cure. Nakamenta sa babaro to kaningo na marir manakatiko kakana enganita ng rakingo merakania merabakanitiko kina.
Okay, today we'll talk about the marriage.
Right.
The Messi, Samuel Rabin Rotaki. And nabuko ni sakuko na bindomoni kina bi ka bango sa ngol ni mata ko ngoneleo sa second ni wara ko turbo menles talmay sa kuchi ko sarang pa dondon membaleta na bibinakati na kami sa atiwuti sa atigoraw na binrotaki se if two eloping nataba na bi okay sa lako na binrotaki dems rosan likaw sa kawian nyo eleo ibale kembali sa kaw na kini tukutuku rosa nang kay tiko mbongi ba lo meningatu era chuki na nambuningon merla ba marutaka
mamamada
mamamada may balitingon eleo bo balatan na may tiko ya na sulukan sa bitu di bali all her belongings is back at home o kaya nga pati kina sulit kito lang na rosa la ko may balatang di sabin roti ko tangani
momo ay sa tuin rakim bulare from mo itolu
yan rer manaka
talo takabir na sige ni matatibir na iwalwali sa nabiter tarab di kaya taka nang ni bin rotaki.
For the Winrotaki, it's not like right menace for the
yes.
like we normally follow the procedure of marriage system.
Protocol,
protocol. But for the Winrotaki,
for the two lovers,
you and your loved ones, you are ready to break the menace because love is being purified and above your heights.
Right.
Sa sibiti ka mo Robin. You are run away of thoughts. Maybe
I can't wait. That long.
Maybe the family needs another man to marry their daughter.
Fixed marriage.
Fixed marriage.
Right.
Because you have your love from the first time you set your eyes on her.
Right.
That will be depending on which marriage system you in. So some people they hate that. They run away with their loved one. Some maybe the isang renre ng bulay bale. Facing difficulties in the family. So sa pakay baka daw wadang beka anto nakay stop and renre. So he wants to marry and run away from the belonging. Some they don't want to wait. Don't want to it. Maybe she is pregnant. the family hates that to
Very strict,
yeah,
eh?
very strict
Right.
family, so they run away to their loved ones.
Right.
It's like that.
Yeah.
So when they are running, I still remember when I was in the village, the two lovers, they were running from where we are camping.
Iyo.
Oi.
Yeah, from Nawakani. Nawakani the farm, eh?
Yeah.
Tukiren Donabale.
Yeah.
So
Farmhouse.
it's a farmhouse.
Yeah.
Right.
We are farming there from Nawakani. People back in the village, they know this place.
Yeah.
Right.
Far away from the village.
Wow.
So in the dark, the two lovers arrived.
Oh.
Yeah, they never follow the right path.
Right.
Yeah.
Kuna
Crosscut.
ngusala levu.
Yeah, Rosa
They
crosscut.
took the crosscut.
Right.
Where the muddy water arrives at your kneecap.
Iyo.
Ya the tinduru muna soso tombole mai ke.
Iyo.
Many toenail loses from this track. Na Canada,
Iyo.
some toenails, some black in color. Sala ilolo tu mbole tentadang ke duru mai kanian na nangele.
Iyo.
So these two, they coming in this path. I ask Metabale, hey, where these women come from? Abang ko kaya, you keep on sat au siang ngone.
You know what? You know what?
Kalau mantau iko.
When they arrive, all the adults were asleep. Only one chiki. The eyes go running round.
Au siapa ko kailangan ni Ravindra ta
The owl.
Yeah, the eyes go like a ball spinning.
So when they coming, and the family in Doberto na the family, the brother, the sister's brother, ko en rota kimai. No brother ko kami tamatan tu tentu eh. He's a very tough guy.
Yeah.
Very dangerous.
Very dangerous fella.
Right.
Lebu tu na kisin labisel.
Yeah.
And Tamale is very afraid of that thing.
Right.
Yeah.
And the story is coming. You know, when somebody is sabang karelewa,
Yeah.
satu kuni satu
Sa singer na tamat o di dalam ko o di bimbi care. Kaman pakasutari.
Iyo.
Interrogation in
Yeah.
the
The
village.
last women they met,
Right.
she saw this girl pass by with
Yeah.
yellow clothes
Right.
Yeah.
and one scarf.
Right.
Mi umbia me kinauluna.
Red scarf.
Red scarf mi oyau. So they pass. They pass. They pass in the road like this coming LT1230.
Right.
O Dubs.
Motoloa.
Pasi. So
Laku mo ko ya.
your toray di kota lang
Iya.
and the family. So when they arriving, so the family in the village, sangkala ko may na message sa amin na koro. Message. Shh. Oh, your brother is in the village. He's looking for you.
Iya. Vielewa.
Iyo.
Who's in the farmhouse?
Iyo. From there, tabale. We know that sa merto meridi ko ya.
Iyo.
So when they follow the long track, na message pass through the short track. Shortcut.
Iya. Namatay pa sa labor lang
Iyo.
ko.
So what we do, we took the brother in the long track. Baka mbalabuta kimay.
Iyo.
Dua tako sumay to send the message to the,
Right.
you want to marry? Iyo, sabi nakatsara mi sa hotel.
Iyo.
Like we involved in their marriage system, which is
Right.
bad, eh?
Yes, yes.
So they took the cross cut again. They ran away.
Oh, you try to help him. Iyo.
You trying to help him.
Yeah, because he want to marry the
Yeah.
Tabale.
Iyo.
Yes.
So I asked the girl, you want to marry? You really want to marry the Tabale?
Yes, how old are you?
Secondary.
Buto ko na bitaw wala sa rera nga may.
May bang kasi ni.
Buto ko lalang ka ba? Namara naman siya sa rera nga may.
May nangyara.
That's posting I see. Mataning on mo rin kina for.
Nabindra taki. Right.
So they ran away right to sabu-sabu.
Baka dua.
Right to sabu-sabu. We put in for the affair.
Kaya sa nakano yan, kaya nangaw na ni Vindro Taki.
Kenapa Nabindra taki? Bisa lah betul-betul. Kecuali berbaka.
Sini bina ka na bitalo no. Meron lang dumunang nga. Tugos nga. Ano ko tali sa mo na Vindro Taki.
Dan borwa.
Pai, nanu mutan sarai, deme
Saya di bawah talga di tunggu ngatu ya, tunggu ngatu.
Iya bangko bertolak di bosi. Lo mali balik ruangan kantor ni kaba. Dua to semua tantalingan to na bawa. Karo to bimbing na bonongo. Ngo sangkay matanimbong. Tabu na iwak.
Ifraimi tabu dobi yan rabinaka. Nangita fili yan rabinaka. Aisea, Virsine yan rabinaka. Emali yan rabinaka.
Emali biskalo. Yan rabinaka tindi seta.
So, wala nga tala sa nisuk.
New South Wales yan rabinaka.
Wala nga tala sa nisuka. Asa mo tangar to nangon. To nangon ito doon megarto kay lako ni barumbuk.
Kaya kailangan na soli, doon ka manakoro. Kaya soli sa takatulo pa ni ikaw. Doon sa sakati mo na soli. Si Berito na ito manamati malu. May sakolek raw na soli. Salay.
Kailangan ninda tu baboy tabalin. Sangkay lang ko to na bitalo no. Iya na spoil. Utia sangkay bangko. Sangkay barrito tabalin tutungo. Sangkay barrito nakayado. Iya.
Isa.
Basta matakan doon na kendan daw tete bangko daw sibuta kay luto.
Iya.
Kasi buta gitu bero nandar lolong ni ndalo. Tahu salah. Ana binaka tua, tura ni manya bangko.
Oh, Andra. Sayandra.
Na moy mbua sa kiusa bang silimi tori ketinai. Ya tukuka buke lulunggo.
Ya.
Mere.
Osa bo cirka ba me walu ya na nonto benua. Cirka cirka ba mi me walu. Matang di singalu tule we. Ya berak sa pagaro berak nonto ngono ko ya no bukun na turang na marama turbo ngone lewa. Ni marote chule sira kini buli biar lubenta na non ramai malwai reboli. Na tata nana ya na bulang lang sere ni musobiti.
Sa totokan din.
Konferenti. Tapi telon ni kakan sangai tunggu kena tak lima. Peki menina kan sa ngono binasar kan di buli-buli. Peki menina pa songgo. Pono binakan di pangkara imbengo.
Binasar.
Via pa biteso na tanoa na taptali. Takona. Renta lagi situ kina. Ana songgo lebuni.
Wex, bandra ngau setare kelendua. Makereta matakara. Saya orto be bandra mengau. Sema buli mengo. Rosir rabiakara. Keto sadaba. Like